Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set timer in Canon G7x Mark II. So friends, before starting video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And now friends, let's start the video. So guys, first of all, on this camera, and after this click on the menu button, and guys you can see on the 7th option self timers, click on OK, and after that guys you can set 10 second, 2 second is per your request, and suppose I want 2 second. Now the timer is set and you can click easily any photo. Thank you so much for watching this video friends. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, comment below, okay? Don't forget, because I will reply you 100% of your every comment. So please guys, subscribe my channel. I need your support, I need your help, and I'm nothing without your support. So guys, please support me, and I'll see you soon guys with a new video. Till now, bye.